Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires while others struggle financially for their entire lives? It's not just luck, it's not just hard work. The difference is in their knowledge, mindset, and the way they handle money. Welcome to Millionaire Journey, the channel that will help you master money, invest wisely, and achieve financial freedom. If you want to earn money, save money, and multiply your wealth, here you've come to the right place. Today we'll reveal the essential steps that wealthy people take, steps that can help you build a fortune too. 1. Why most people struggle financially. Let's talk about the reality. Most people never achieve financial freedom. Why? Here's are the three biggest reasons. Lack of financial education. Schools don't teaching beyond their means. Many people spend. Not investing or taking action, they don't invest. But here's the good news. You can change your financial future. And that's exactly what this channel is here to help you with. Do is so. What you'll learn on Millionaire Journey. Here's what we cover. Smart investment strategies. Stocks, real estate, millionaire and billionaire. Secrets, learn from war. Money management and wealth protection. How? Economic trends and market insights. Knowledge is the key to building wealth, and we're bringing you the best insights, strategies, and expert advice, all for free. Every day we upload 2 long videos and 2 short videos, helping you master financial success one step at a time. 3. The habits of millionaires. So what do the rich do differently? Here are the top habits of millionaires. They invest consistently. They don't just save. They put their money. They have multiple income streams. T. They make data-driven decisions. They study. They learn from mistakes. The good news, you can apply these habits to your own life and start seeing results. We'll break down these strategies in upcoming videos showing you exactly how to implement them. 4. The path to financial freedom. So how do you get started on your millionaire journey? Follow these steps. Start learning. Watch our vid. Create a plan. Set goals and build a road. Take action. Stay consistent. Success due. Your future is in your hands. The question is, are you ready to take control? 5. Call to action. Join the millionaire journey. Now is the time to take action. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell. By doing that, you'll get the latest strategies, tips, and financial insights to help you build wealth. And don't forget, comment below on the topics you're most interested in. We'll create in-depth videos based on your requests. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Let's walk this millionaire journey together. See you in the next video.